Hello everybody, today in front of me I have LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and in this video we are going to demonstrate the two ways of how you can set up the Opera as your default browser on this device. So the first way is to do it directly from the settings, so let's open them up. Here at the left side of the settings, look for the Apps and Notifications category. At the Apps and Notifications menu, go for the default apps. Here, choose Browser app, and all that it's left to do is to select Opera, and that will ultimately mean that we have successfully set it as our default browser. The second way to do that is available directly from the Opera application itself, so let's open it. Here, at the top left corner, tap on your avatar, go for this gear that stands for Settings. At the settings menu, scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser app, tap on it, click on next, and here just select Opera and tap on set as default. And that will ultimately mean that we have set the Opera as our default browser as well. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!